Hello friends, my name is Amit and welcome to Epic Coding. This is the second video in the series of learning TypeScript, and in this video we will learn different export and import forms in TypeScript. So let us dive straight into different export forms. We have seen this type of export declaration in our last video. In this video we are exporting a constant called first name by prefixing it with keyword export. Similarly, we can export a function like this. Here you can see that we are exporting a function declaration. Here the name of the function is greet and it accepts an argument called name. In the similar fashion we can export any declaration. So let us take a look into the import form to import these exported declarations. Here we are in the index.ts file and we are importing the exported constant and function name. Please pay careful attention that we have included the constant and function name within brackets inside their independent import statement. This is the import form to import an exported declaration from another module. Let us console log the name and call the function to see them in action. Then hit Ctrl+Shift+B. This command will convert our TypeScript files to their corresponding JavaScript files. Then open a command prompt and hit node followed by index.js file name. We can see the output from the function and value of our constant. So this was one type of export and import statement. Let us look into the another export and import form. Here again we are in the app.ts file and you can see that we have modified our previous declarations a little. We have included inline 7 and 8 export statements, and export statements are handy when we do not want to show our actual variable names. Instead we want to show an alias of the actual variable names. So we are exporting first name as person name and greet method as greeting from this module. Now let us see the corresponding import statements in index.ts file. In index.ts file we can see that everything is same, just the name of the constant and the functions are changed. Hit Ctrl+Shift+B to compile our TypeScript files to JavaScript files. Open the command prompt and hit the command node followed by the file name index.js, and we can see that our output is same. So we have seen export statements. Now let us look into another export and import form. Let us create another file called base.ts and include these lines in base.ts. You can see that we have not included or we are not importing something from app.ts, and we have also not declared something new in base.ts. Rather, we are exporting what we have already exported in app.ts with the new name. So this form of export statement is known as re-export. In index.ts, change app to base because we are now importing from base, not from app, and change person name to first name because base is exporting first name, not the person name, and change greeting to greet. Now hit Ctrl+Shift+B to compile our TypeScript files. Open the command prompt and run the same command which we ran earlier. And now we can see that our output is same. Till now we have focused our attention towards export statements. Now let us focus our attention towards import statements. Till now we have imported everything on their own import statements, but we can also import everything on a single import statement like this. Here the star after the import keyword specifies to import everything that has been exported from base.ts file and save as an object called base. And we can use this object and use the exported items from base.ts file as properties on this object like this. Let us hit now Ctrl+Shift+B to check everything is working or not. Open the command prompt and everything is working as expected. Here again we are in the app.ts file and you can see that we are exporting our constant first name. But this time we have included another keyword called default, which is following keyword export in line 3. It specifies that this is the default export from module app. It is important to note here that there can only be one default export from one module, and this is the import syntax to import the default export from another module. Please look at this syntax carefully as we have not included first name within brackets. Okay, so this concludes our discussion on import and export forms in TypeScript. For further reading, I have included links in the description. If this video has been informative to you, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it and like it. See you in the next video.